You know, people are always asking me, Jason, are you a fan of aches, pains, and muscle stiffness? And I've always thought, wow. What a strange and creepy way to open up a conversation. Also, who are you and how did you get into my house? After the initial shock wears off, I explained that MyoStorm's first successful Kickstarter introduced the world to the Meteor. Tens of thousands of customers have found relief from all different types of pain, including neck stiffness, aching back and legs, and sore muscles. This portable, vibrating, heating massage ball brought us to the national stage on ABC's Shark Tank. From the moment we walked through the door, all the sharks wanted a deal. We had those guys fighting over us more than my parents during their divorce settlement. But when we're not watching billionaires argue over who gets to partner with us, you better believe we're hard at work. And when it comes to innovation, we'll never stop. Just like Jared here. Right, Jared? Freaking Olympians, am I right? Now, much like the boys from the backstreet, we're back. All right! The METEOR MINI. 50% more compact than its big brother and combining 4th generation ultra soothe vibration technology with 4 levels of intensity, this addition to the MyoStorm lineup heats up quicker than the dance floor at my high school prom. Hard to believe I've always been this smooth and self-aware. This thing is like a massage therapist, ready to travel with you wherever you go.
All set.
That's not what I meant, Gary. Numerous scientific studies have shown vibration reduces pain more quickly and effectively than a traditional massage. Our own studies have shown that after just 30 seconds of using the METEOR MINI or METEOR 2.0, muscle stiffness is reduced by 50%. That's right, science. We do science. Not me, though. I just like the coat. Big pockets. Oh, and it's worth mentioning that not all vibration is created equal. Most massage tools on the market are not calibrated to provide hardly any therapeutic benefit. Some alternatives can be too intense and actually damage muscles and prevent relaxation. And if you find that option appealing, my Uncle Cliff's got a similar solution and would be happy to help you out. Reaching a temperature of an impressive 120 degrees Fahrenheit and boasting the same power and strength as the original METEOR, the Mini is like getting a massage from a therapist, but with heat. Gary, dude, are you serious? How could you possibly think that's what I meant? Gary, no. You know what's admirable? Hard work and a dedication to your craft.
You know what sucks? Being hunched over a desk all day and suffering from a stiff neck and a sore back.
Girl, I hear you.
Please don't do that.
Sorry. But the Mini and the 2.0 were already ideal for relieving those hard-to-reach sore spots, and now we've made it even easier. Just use the MyoStorm massage and stretch strap with whichever METEOR you already have. The double-thick and ultra-durable design gives you an extra measure of control for your neck and back to make sure your pain never goes unattended.
What a relief.
Living somewhere where noise can be an issue?
Yeah.
Okay, just 1 second. Now with the MyoStorm dual-layer recovery mat, noise transfer is a thing of the past. Each mat is made with 2 layers of specially engineered EVA foam. The top layer preserves the therapeutic vibration, while the softer bottom layer dampens excess noise. Now you can finally leave your downstairs neighbors alone with their thoughts in deafening silence.
Well, is he really not even gonna notice my haircut?
I'm not going electric. I don't care what this Elon Gates says.
Well, you're obviously a guy who spends some time in the gym.
What can I say? I like my body like I like my cheese. Shredded.
Right. Check this out. The MyoStorm 3-in-1 recovery roller is perfect for stretching your back and warming up larger muscle groups. But here's where it's a first of its kind. It can be used as a traditional roller, use half the roller for an intense spinal stretch, or combine it with the METEOR MINI or METEOR for a therapeutic vibration recovery session.
This thing is ballin'.
Oh gosh.
Oh man, I am on a roll.
Yikes. Our goal was simple: speed up muscle recovery and reduce chronic pain. The METEOR MINI and our new accessories have been designed for high-level athletes but made for everyday users. Now the only pain you'll have to endure will be listening to your kid learn to play the violin. So the next time someone asks me how I deal with aches, pains, and muscle stiffness, my reply will be simple. What pain? Thank you for your support. Our molds are done and our manufacturers are anxious and ready to get the METEOR Mini and all our accessories in production and delivered ASAP as possible. This being our second fully funded and fulfilled Kickstarter, we are ready to go with your support.